Today I will guide you how to sign into your WhatsApp account. For that you need to open the WhatsApp application and here you need to tap on agree and continue. You need to choose your country and enter the phone number of your country. So once you have entered your phone number and verified your phone number, you need to tap on continue so that you let WhatsApp to access your contacts, photos and other media. Let's tap on allow again to let WhatsApp access your contacts and here again tap on allow if you want to let WhatsApp access music and audio in this device. So on this page you will be taken to this page where you need to restore your backup if you want, otherwise you can tap on skip. So if you skip restoring your messages and media, you won't be able to restore later. So let's tap on cancel and restore it right now. You need to wait for a moment. So once the backup has been restored, let's tap on next. And here you can edit your profile info by entering your name and the profile photo. Let's tap on next for now and keep it as default. Here you need to wait for a while and here you can see that I have already been signed in on my WhatsApp account. So in this way you can easily sign in to your WhatsApp application. I hope this video was helpful for you. If this was, then hit the like button, subscribe and press the notification bell for the further updates. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.